Welcome back to Smilez Dishes. Smile, you're in food heaven. Please click the subscribe button, the like button, and share our videos. Hey y'all, welcome back to Smilez Dishes. It's been a minute, but I'm back. What's up? I have this juicy steak and creamy garlic mashed potatoes with plantains recipes I want to share with y'all. This is the ultimate comfort meal, great for any occasion. I made this meal for my family the other day, trying to stay in the house and save some money around Valentine's Day. Plus, everywhere was booked. So I was like, I'm a chef, so let me whip it up real quick in the kitchen. So let's get right into it. So here we have the ingredients: steak, yellow potatoes, green onions, garlic, plantains, and herbs. We have our sweet plantain, so you want the skin to be a bit yellow with black spots on it, which will maximize the sweetness and softness of the plantain. Then we're going to peel off the skin with the knife like so and slice it diagonally and sprinkle with salt to bring out the flavor. So you're going to put your oil in a frying pan and place it on medium heat. Then add the plantains in there and cook it on both sides for a few minutes until golden brown. When your plantains are golden brown on one side, you're going to flip it over after a few minutes and let it get golden brown on the other side. By the way, y'all, these are my natural nails. It's really strong. That's what I really like about it. Once your plantains look golden brown like this, place it in a plate and set it aside. Now for the creamy garlic mashed potatoes. I washed and drained the potatoes, then placed them in cold water. Now we're going to cut the potatoes into equal cube size and place them in a pot, then add salt and boil until fork tender. After draining the water from the potatoes, add your butter, milk, garlic, and mash it up until creamy smooth. This is exactly how some creamy mashed potatoes should look and sound like. So yummy. Now let's get into this juicy steak. We have some sage, thyme, onion, garlic, and habanero peppers. We're going to blend this up and put it on the steak. The cut of the steak is a sirloin grilling steak for only $23 for 3. Now that's a great deal for real. So we're going to drizzle the steak with oil and season on both sides. The seasoning mixture is salt, black pepper, steak seasoning, and smoked paprika. Then we'll add our fresh onion mixture on both sides of the steak for maximum flavor. I added fresh onion because when it's caramelized on the steak, it brings out an amazing flavor profile and aroma. Place the pan on medium-high heat and sear on both sides of the steak for a couple minutes to get a nice, beautiful crust on the steak. Then we'll place the steak in a baking sheet pan and place it in the oven for 350 for about 10 minutes. This will give you a medium steak. Just look how juicy that steak is. Now for the flavorful gravy. My camera died when I was doing this part, but I'll make a video of it in the description below. You can see how it's made. But I added some of the onion mixture, butter, flour, water, salt, black pepper, chicken bouillon, then let it simmer until thickened to gravy consistency. And bam, just like that, we have happiness on a platter. Just look at that delicious meal. Juicy herb steak with creamy garlic mashed potatoes and with plantains. Come on, let's eat. Now this is a game winner meal. So if you're hungry for more, make sure you like this video, hit the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell because I'm bringing in more heat. Now go ahead and make this meal, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah!